friends, and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And in this session, what we are going to learn? In this session, we are going to track phase without installing mediapipe on Raspberry OS Bullseye 64-bit version. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learned something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, if you're working with Raspberry OS Bullseye, okay, so you definitely face this problem with mediapipe. Okay, so first I am going to install mediapipe. Sudo pip3 install mediapipe -rpy4. Sudo pip3 install mediapipe -rpy4. If I hit enter, as you can see, requirement is already satisfied because I have already installed mediapipe. Okay, so it's install mediapipe, but if we run Python 3 and if we import our mediapipe, okay, mediapipe as mp. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, mediapipe.python.framework bindings. This is what the error which we face on Raspberry OS Bullseye 64-bit version for installing, or we can say not basically install it because we install, but if we try to call our mediapipe module, we will get this error, mediapipe.python.framework bindings. It means we are not able to work with mediapipe on Bullseye. Okay, so as I mentioned, how to work with phase tracking project on Raspberry OS Bullseye without installing mediapipe? Simple. For that, you need to install opencv latest version, which I have already installed. Okay, then we need here tensorflow main version. So run the command sudo pip3 install tensorflow. Okay, only tensorflow, because we are not going to install tensorflow, right? This is what our tensorflow main version, tensorflow. So I have already installed. As you can see, requirement is already satisfied. That's it. It says requirement is already satisfied. That's it. Now we need here a cvlib. So sudo pip3 install cvlib and just hit enter. It will install cvlib on our Bullseye 64-bit version. Okay, this one package is already I have installed. As you can see, requirement is already satisfied. So you need here tensorflow. Okay, sudo pip3 install tensorflow main version. Then we need here cvlib. Sudo pip3 install cvlib. Okay, and as I mentioned, I have already installed latest opencv, which is 4.6.0. that's it. Now we are ready. We have done with package installation. Okay, so this is what our basic script. I have already created the basic script. Okay, import cvlib as cv, then import cv2, then cap is equal to cv2.video capture. This is how as we always call our web camera. Okay, then while loop, then ret img cap.read, then cv2.resize method for resizing our frame. This is what our width and height, then imshow method, then wet key method. That's it. So this is what our basic code. We just want to import cvlib module as cv. Simple. Now where we resize our frame, here what we want to do, we want to create two variable. So first one is basically faces, then next one is confidences. Okay, confidences, simple. And then is equal to cv.detect underscore face. Faces, confidences, this is what our two variable, is equal to cv dot, this is what our cv is basically our module cvlib, cv.detect underscore face. Simple. And then inside that we need to pass our img. That's it. So if we print here, if we print a faces, okay, then we will get 4 coordinate. Okay, so if I save the code, if I run the code, and as you can see friends, we have here inside shell, we have here 4 coordinates 0 1 2 3. So this is the coordinates for drawing the rectangle on our face. It means we have successfully detect a rectangle. Okay, and inside the shell you will see this kind of a red message. Just ignore it. Okay, this is not error, just ignore. Okay, then you will see, because we're printing a faces, so we have the coordinates x, y, x1 and y1. So with the help of these coordinates we can simply draw a rectangle on our face. So simply what we are going to do, we are going to use a for loop. Okay, so for x, y, x1 and y1, simple, in our faces, simple. Then what we want to do, just a minute. Okay, now it's good. Then what we want to do, because we have our 4 coordinates, so we can simply draw a rectangle. So cv2 dot rectangle and cv2 dot rectangle, and then we need to pass img. Where we want to draw a rectangle, we want to draw a rectangle on our img image. Then we need to pass our coordinates, so x and y. Okay, then x1 and y1, okay, that's it. Then we want to mention the color, so let's make pink. So 0255, okay, 0255, it will make pink color rectangle on my face. Then thickness, let's make it 2. Okay, that's it. That's it, simple, all done. Okay, so if I save the code, if I run the code, and friends, as you can see, we have successfully tracking our face. There is rectangle on my face, as you can see. So without installing MediaPipe on Raspberry OS Bullseye, we can track a face, or we can say we can create face tracking project. Okay, so I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.